So this morning we had Tesla actually release their 10K filing, which is their annual report. Ton of good stuff in here. If you're a Tesla shareholder, take the time to actually read through some of this. You definitely learn something new about the business, what they've done over the last year, what they've done recently, and of course the biggest thing that's making headlines now is the Tesla Bitcoin shocker, which is that Tesla actually invested $1.5 billion in cryptocurrency, specifically Bitcoin. Now, their goal with this is actually to go ahead and start accepting Bitcoin, possibly soon, for their product. Now, they don't really specify what products. Maybe it's just for merchandise on their website. Maybe it's for aftermarket things like, who knows, mud flaps, roof rack, tow hooks, that kind of stuff. Or maybe they start accepting it for purchases of their vehicles. That would be something pretty interesting to see, be the first major company really in the world to accept Bitcoin for any major purchase. And I think this could be the beginning of something much, much bigger at Tesla and of course for Bitcoin. Now what I found interesting was that a few weeks ago, Elon Musk actually updated his Twitter profile and it had Bitcoin underneath his name here, but he's since removed that. So it seemed like he was hinting at the time that Tesla did buy Bitcoin. There's a lot of speculation as well around the street saying Tesla bought Bitcoin, Tesla now owns Bitcoin, but today we get the final confirmation from this. And he's also been kind of trolling with Dogecoin here. So he's really into the crypto space, it seems, and he's probably the one that pushed it to purchase a bit of their capital into Bitcoin. Now, a lot of people are making this a huge deal, and it is a big deal because they started investing in this. But $1.5 billion for a company that's, what, $800+ billion right now is minimal. So this is not a huge investment in Bitcoin, but it does show that they're interested in building this over time. Who knows, maybe next year, by this time, we'll have $3 to $5 billion in Bitcoin. Also, if Bitcoin's asset price raises, like today it's up 10.77% on this news, that'll also mean that Tesla has increased their investment from 1.5 billion up 10%. This will be just another stream of income for them that I think over time will grow much larger. Everyone's expecting Bitcoin to do well over the long term. The technology is there. Some may disagree with Bitcoin specifically being the future, but crypto, blockchain technology, that kind of stuff is definitely the future. And in my personal opinion, I think Bitcoin is the leader in that space and will continue to be the leader in that space. So a 10x with Bitcoin, definitely not out of the world of possibility here in the next few years. And guys, Tesla isn't the only one doing this, because we have companies like Visa getting into the crypto space. Square, I believe, has some of their capital in Bitcoin. They put $50 million in a few months ago, and around this time was when I was considering getting into Bitcoin. It's unlikely we're going to see prices of under 20,000 again in this asset here. We've definitely had a volatile few years, and I don't think the volatility is done just yet. I think it's going to continue to be volatile as more and more companies start buying this, more people start getting interested in this once again, and more capital starts flooding in. And people are going to be day trading this, they're going to be swing trading this. There's swings of 5 to 10% regularly with this asset, and for day traders, that is the dream really, to have something that volatile, yet stable enough that it's going to grow over the long term. So I can definitely see Bitcoin trending higher, but definitely staying volatile during that time. As of right now, Bitcoin is trading at just under 44,000 US dollars. You can see here, this is pretty much a new all-time high. Starting to look like the Tesla charts a bit here. But I think that, like I said, this, in a year from now, we could be looking at a 1 in front of this, 143,000. But regardless, I will keep you guys updated on any more news regarding this, regarding Tesla. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to invest positively, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.